Imagine a mountain so massive it dwarfs anything on Earth. Well, buckle up, space explorers, because we're about to blast off to Mars. Meet Olympus Mons, the colossal volcano that makes Everest look like a molehill. This Martian monster stands at a jaw-dropping 13.6 miles high. That's almost 3 times taller than Everest. Picture stacking 3 Everests on top of each other, and you're still not quite there. Olympus Mons isn't just big, it's the biggest volcano in our entire solar system. It's so huge that if you were standing on its peak, you wouldn't even be able to see the base because of Mars's curvature. Talk about a view that's out of this world. So next time you're feeling on top of the world, remember there's a volcano on Mars that's taking high to a whole new level.